to the Little French Cooking Show with Panache. Hi, Panache. Hi, everybody. You're in my way. I'm so excited to be here. And I love to cook. And I love to make lots of yummy things. But I love to make them very healthy because they're good for my little body and for my brain and for my heart and for all sorts of things. You want to take a little minute to tell our friends what we're going to make today? Yeah, what are we making today? Well, today we're going to make a French crème au chocolat. You don't know what a crème au chocolat is? I have no idea. Do you know? Well, let me explain to you and to everybody out there what a crème au chocolat is. Okay? Yes. Okay, well, a crème au chocolat is a chocolate pudding that's very yummy, very creamy. But you know me. Yeah, you do. I always put very healthy things in there, but you don't know they're there, so it's a secret, except we're going to show everybody today. You ready? You want to cook with me? Okay, so welcome to the Little French Cooking Show with Panache. We're going to start with dark chocolate, of course. Oh, no. It's not time to eat it yet. It's dark chocolate. Oh, yeah, it smells good. Yeah, it does, but shh, don't put your nose in there. Okay, so we're going to start with dark chocolate. Not too sweet, right? Okay, so I'm putting it in a blender. Have you ever seen a blender? Melted chocolate. Expect that in there, right? Yeah. Okay. Dark chocolate. And then you're so curious. Don't get too rambunctious because I need your help. I really do, because you're going to press the button, okay? Okay, so first, dark chocolate. You're good on that? Okay, next, I'm going to put tofu. Tofu is, what is tofu? Tofu is soybean in a little package. And it's very laid back and cool and just, it goes with the flow. You're not gonna know it's there. You just put it in there. Ready? Yeah. And I'm gonna put it with all the water that it comes in. Listen to the sound. Whoop. Splash you too? Me too. Okay, so there is tofu in there. Then, oh, did you put your little foot in this in the soy milk? Okay, well that's good because that's the next ingredient. Okay, soy milk. Okay, put some soy milk in there. You want to help me? Yeah. Okay, soy milk. And then we're gonna put, to sweeten it a little bit, we're going to put some Medjool dates. Medjool dates are just wonderful. See this? Look. Yeah. Oh, they smell good too. And they're kind of mushy, and they're soft, and they're very, very sweet. And you know why I like to use sweet dates? Why? Because then I don't need to use sugar to make things sweet. Now, I know, I love things sweet too, but that's the thing. With sweet dates, you don't need to add the sugar. I don't. Well, because sugar is not so good for you. It isn't? No. And dates are not only sweet, but they're kind. I like kind. I like kind. Yeah. You know why they're kind? Because they're good for your body, and for your heart, and for your brain, because they make you healthy. They're better for you than sugar. It's good to be healthy. Healthy people have more fun. They have more energy. They are just full of life. And that's important for your little body. Okay? Oh, okay. Well, as long as it's plenty sweet, because I like my caramel chocolate to be nice and sweet. Oh, don't you worry. You'll tell me if it's not sweet enough. But those little Medjool dates, that's where they come in. They're very sweet and they're very kind to your body. So we're going to put some Medjool dates in there, and I'm going to cut them up a little bit so that they don't get, so that they mush up very nicely with everything. Oh, and don't forget, I almost forgot, take out the pit. Right? No, that's not good. The pit you don't want to have. What's the pit? That's the pit. See this hard thing? Oh, okay, so I throw this out? Okay. Oh, okay, good. So we put 5 Medjool dates. You want to count with me? You know how to count in French? Yeah, if you help me. Okay, so, okay. Oops, I have to remember to take out the pit every time. Okay, 1, 2. Let's take out the pit. The pit is gone for this one. 2. Can you say 2? 2. 3. Oh, you're good. 3. 4. Oh, 5. Where's 5? Where's the 5th one? It's already in there, you silly. Oh, it's there. You're right. It's in there. Okay, so dates are wonderful because they're very sweet. That's what you want. Sweet, natural dates. Ready? Then, now these are amazing. The next ingredient are little lentils. Look at the lentils. Lentils. See lentils? What are those? Well, lentils are wonderful. They're called legumes, and they're wonderful, but they're very, very shy. Like you were at the beginning, right? They're very shy, so they don't want to know. They don't want you to know they're there. They just don't want anybody to know they're there. And so what happens? Well, you put them inside of this. You would never know they're there. You're not going to taste them. Oh, well then why? Well, because they're so good for you, and they also make it very creamy, and they're so good for you. You know what they're going to do? What? They're going to make your tummy feel nice and full and give you lots of strength. You ready? All that in those little lentils? Yeah? You ready? Okay, let's put them in. Lentils, right? You won't know they're there. You'll get to taste it, and you tell me if you know they're there. Okay? Promis? Promis. Okay, so now all we do is we're going to press. Have you ever pressed a button on a blender? Do you know what a blender is? Not really, but I want to press the button. Okay. We're going to press the button together. How about that? You ready? Okay, so press the button here. And then we want to make sure that the top is on there. Why? Because then it's going to go everywhere. You don't want to do that, right? Yeah, I like that. No. Today we want to make really good food that tastes yummy, and that will stay in here so that we can put in little cutie cups that we can eat later on for a snack or dessert, and that will make us feel good, and that we will love, because it will love us back. We love that food, and it loves us back. Isn't that something? Okay, so let's press the button. Oh, yeah, almost. Okay. You want to see what it looks like inside? Yay! Okay, let's go look. So, but let's make sure. No, maybe you know what? I'm going to keep this on and take out the top. Can you help me? Oh, there. Okay, so you ready? Taste it? Okay. Let's. Oh, I have to go get a little containers. Okay, I'll be right back. Ready? Look how creamy. Can you believe there are lentils in there and dates and tofu and all that? And you don't know it's there, right? Right? Okay, so let's taste it now together. You want to taste it? Is it so yummy? Oh my God, let me taste it. Let me taste it now. Well, there you go. La crème au chocolat, chocolate pudding. Lots of yummy things in there. This was so much fun, wasn't it? Yeah! Oh, you're doing it again.
I'm so excited. I love to cook with all of you. And let's see each other again soon.
Well, yeah. See you next time for our next episode of the Little French Cooking Show with Panache.
Panache, that's me.
Yes, that's you.